Well, it's been a couple weeks since we've heard anything about this guy right here, Dylan Ferrandis. But as of today, as I'm reading this, Steve Mathis, there's been a couple posts about this. Apparently, the AGP deal, which was the supposed rumor of him going and riding a Suzuki, is dead. Or let's say less likely than it was. But, about an hour between that one and the next one, this is, quote, says, update, I got a text that Ferrandis is doing Phoenix Honda. Can't confirm, but that's me out there. It would work with FC doing their stuff, which Dylan Ferrandis in Nats and loved. I don't know what that all means, but that'd be kind of cool. Phoenix Honda obviously has pretty good PR for the last couple weeks, doing the whole Jason Lawrence thing with GNCC, and they're not exactly a factory squad, but they probably get some support and some help. But anything to get, to me, this is almost something I say in every single video. Anything to get more riders out there, more competitive riders out there, and have a better championship would be cool. Now the question is though, is Phoenix Honda big enough to do full supercross and national or all the nationals if they'd even want to? Also, would Dylan Ferrandis even go for this? Or I've seen some other things talking about maybe holding out for Triumph ride or maybe a Ducati ride. Who knows? I think it'd be cool if he does do the Honda thing, even if it is only for a year, if he's waiting for one of the Ducati or maybe the Triumph thing, to have him out there competing. Obviously, he's a, 2 or 3 year removed champion. It's not like he's a washed up old guy, but in the comments below, you tell me, would you like to see him on a Phoenix Honda? Would you rather him wait and get on one of the, if it works out, a Triumph or a Ducati ride? Or do you know something else that I don't? Whatever it is, though, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you all later. Peace.